we'll continue the revision program. So I think yesterday we solved 4 questions on metallurgy. So this is what we stopped here. And question number 5. Impure nickel is purified by Mond carbonyl process or Mons process. Option A is correct. So Mons process is a very, very important process for the purification of nickel. Van Arkel process, Mons process and Van Arkel process are also very, very important for you. Please understand the Mons process and Van Arkel process of refining. So what is Mons process? Nickel solid reacts with carbon monoxide at 50 to 80 degrees Celsius to form nickel tetracarbonyl, which is going to disintegrate at 180 to 200 degrees Celsius to form nickel and 4CO. Please copy on this. Going to the next question. The extraction of copper, the reaction which does not take place in the Bessemer converter is, so excess of silica is absorbed in the basic lining of the converter and part of cuprous sulfide is oxidized with, which combines with remaining cuprous sulfide to form free copper metal. So the reactions which is taking place in the copper extraction is Cu2s plus O2, cuprous sulfide is oxidized to form cuprous oxide and sulfur dioxide. This is number 1. Number 2 is cuprous oxide, what is available in the first reaction, reacts with cuprous sulfide, auto reduction process to form copper and SO2. So the one which is not taking place in the Bessemer converter is option A, because CuFeS2 will not react in the Bessemer converter. Okay, so option A is correct answer. Going to the next question. Pick up the incorrect statement. First and foremost, you understand what is asbestos. Asbestos is CaMg3 SiO3 4 times. Next, coming to wilmenite. Wilmenite is Zn2SiO4. What is your wilmenite? Anglesite. Anglesite is EbSO4. Barite is barium sulfate. Sylvine is KCl. Fluorospor is CaF2. Calamine is zinc carbonate. Zincite is ZnO. Unless and until you are thorough with the ores formula, it is very, very difficult to attend this question, children. Please thorough all the ore formulas, whatever is there in the material and NCERT, right? Therefore, calamine and zincite are minerals of calcium is wrong statement. It is minerals of zinc. Therefore, option D is correct. Next question. Copper ore is heated in the blast furnace. After mixing with silica, iron oxide slags off as iron silicate and copper is produced in the form of copper matte, because copper matte is the lowest point of the blast furnace, consists of shallow earth in which the molten mass collects as a copper matte. Copper matte is a composition of FeS and CO2s. Option C is correct answer. Next question. Refractory metals are used in the construction of furnaces because they can withstand higher temperature. Option A is correct. Chemically inert and melting point is not related to construction materials that we have. They have to have very high temperature. Next question. Which of the formula refers to copper pyrites? Copper pyrites means CuFeS2 is called copper pyrite. Option D is correct. Cu2O is called cuprite. Cu2S is called copper glans. Copper glans has other name called chalcocite. And CuCO3 CO stage is called malachite. It is the only carbonate hydroxide ore of copper. Please copy down this. Next question. Logs of green wood are used for the process called poling. Poling is a logs of green wood are used, and the reducing agent in the poling process are nothing but hydrocarbons. Please note it down. Means mixture of alkanes and alkanes. They are reducing agents. Next question. Aluminium is obtained by the electrolytic reduction of Al2O3 dissolved in Na3AlF6. So this is called the famous Hall-Héroult process. Therefore, option B is correct statement. Kindly copy down all the answers along with the answer. Next slide. Roasted gold ore plus Cn minus giving H2O plus H2O giving oxygen plus oxygen giving X plus OH minus. So X is AuCN2, AuCN twice minus dicyano R8 ion, and Y is the replaceable active metal, that is zinc tetracyano zincate 2 ion. So X and Y, option A is correct. Next question. 4 metals and their methods of refinement are given: nickel, copper, zirconium, and gallium. Number 2, electrolysis, Van Arkel process, zone refining, Mons process. Nickel stands for Mons process, copper stands for electrolysis, zirconium stands for Van Arkel process, and gallium is zone refining because gallium is a semiconductor. It can be done by zone refining. Therefore, option B is correct statement. Please copy down this. Next question. The extraction of metals from their ores. What does the process of ligation stands for? Ligation, already I discussed with you, that is called gravity separation method. Option C is correct answer. Next question. From the metal oxides, the delta G naught is plotted against a temperature. There is a point where the graph crosses delta G0 line above this temperature. Whether the oxide is stable, unstable, or oxide melts, or oxide is reduced. The graph which represents the variation of standard free energy temperature for the formation of oxides of elements is known as Ehlers-Danlos diagram. Ehlers-Danlos diagram is very important in the case of certain metals. the graph rises and the free energy of formation becomes greater than 0. At higher temperatures, graph becomes greater than 0 at higher temperatures. So these metal oxides are unstable at higher temperatures, and silver and mercury oxide is really unstable. So therefore, the oxide is unstable is the correct answer. Silver and mercury oxides are unstable. Option B is correct. Copy down this. Next question. For obtaining the pure germanium, which are the following methods of refining is preferred? As I told you, germanium and silicon are semiconductors. They are preferred by zone refining. Option C is correct answer. Kindly note it down. Next question. Ellingham's diagrams are drawn for sulfides, oxides, and halides. All of these are correct. Next question. Which is the main composition of matte? Matte is copper matte. It consists of CO2 plus with a small amount of FeS. It's contained the main thing as CO2S cuprous sulfide with a small amount of FeS. Therefore, option C is correct. Next question. When an aqueous solution of sodium chloride is electrolyzed in platinum electrodes, the compound discharge. So this mainly this is related to electrochemistry. Reduction potential of hydrogen is higher than that of sodium. So therefore, hydrogen will be discharged at cathode and chloride is discharged at anode. Therefore, hydrogen is discharged at cathode and chloride is discharged at anode. Option C is correct. Next question. Role of sodium cyanide and alkali in the separation of galena from zinc blende and iron sulfide is to activate or improve the flotation property of lead sulfide. Wrong. Depress the floating property of ZnS and FeS2. Two sulfide are present. Sodium cyanide act as a depressant. Therefore, option B is correct. Collector is not the role of sodium cyanide, and zinc sulfide cannot dissolve away from galena is also not true with respect to sodium cyanide. Therefore, option B is correct. Next question. Hydrometallurgy is employed in the extraction of silver, copper. Electrolytic refining is there. Then gold. So therefore, option 1, 3, and 4 is correct. Lead cannot be extracted by hydrometallurgy. So option D is correct. Next question. The process involves smelting means reduction. So here if you see oxidation number of aluminum is +3. This is also +3. Oxidation number of mercury is +2. This is also +2. Oxidation number of iron is +3. Oxidation number is 0. This is the answer. Smelting also, of course, this is also reduction. That is +1 to 0. This is also reduction. But what is smelting is, smelting involves reduction of oxides with metal with carbon or coke at high temperatures. Carbon is involved here. There is no carbon involved here. Therefore, option C is correct answer. The tricky question, you should know Pakka definition of smelting. Next question. Which are the following act as activator in the froth flotation process? Copper sulfate is an activator. Option C is correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following is a ore of silver? Argentite. Option A is correct answer. Stibine is antimony, hematite is iron, bauxite is Al2O3, argentite is Ag2O. Next question. Example of oxide ore is bauxite. Al2O3.2H2O. Malachite is carbonate oxide ore, zinc blende is ZnS, feldspar is also not an oxide ore. So most of the questions in metallurgy is related to the formula of ore. Please throw that. Next question. The following is a ore of tin. Cassiterite is called SnO2. That is the ore of tin. Next question. Main function of roasting is to remove the volatile impurities. If you have the sulfide ores, that will get lost as the volatile impurity sulfur dioxide. Option A is correct. All the other options are wrong. Next question. According to Ellingham's diagram, oxidation reaction between carbon and carbon monoxide may be used to reduce the which one of the following oxides at lowest temperature. At the lowest temperature, Cu2O can be reduced to Cu. Therefore, option B is correct. Next slide. Next question. Delta G versus T in Ellingham's diagram of slope downwards for the reaction. For magnesium oxide, positive slope. Silver oxide also positive slope. Carbon monoxide is having a negative slope. Option C is correct. Option D also has positive slope. Next question. Which of the following reactions taking place blast furnace during extraction of iron is endothermic? So whenever you see that this is a combustion reaction, this is also combustion, and here also breaking of carbon bonds is also exothermic, whereas this is endothermic. Option A is correct. Next question. Method used for obtaining pure silicon, which is used for semiconductor, is nothing but zone refining. Option D is correct answer. Direct question. Next question. Which are the following statements regarding chromatography is incorrect? It is based on the principle that different compounds mixture gets absorbed differently in absorbent. True statement. Column chromatography involves Al2O3. Correct. Mobile phase may be gas, liquid, or solid. No. Mobile phase cannot be gas, liquid, or solid. Mobile phase cannot be a solid. Please understand that is the significance of chromatography. So therefore, option C is incorrect. Component which is more soluble in stationary phase takes no longer time to travel. So that is also correct statement. Next question. Match the following. According to delta G versus temperature graph, oxide of metal can be easily reduced to corresponding metal by heating with coke. So that is with respect to copper. Sorry. With respect to sulfur dioxide. A is Q. A is Q. Copper is correct. I'm sorry. B. Substance responsible for blistered copper is responsible for sulfur dioxide blister copper. Then option C. Metal during the purification distilled off is not belonging to these three options. We have to check the fourth option. Is zinc. An addition of Al2O3 melting point get reduced, conductivity get enhanced. So D will be related to sodium cryolite or CaF2. Therefore, option C is correct statement. Next question. Match the following columns. Colored bands. Colored bands means a chromatography. Then impure volatile metal is Mann's process, or purification of germanium and silicon is Jones refining. Purification of mercury is fractional distillation. Therefore, option B is correct. Next question. Assertion: levitation is used for separation of oxide ores from impurities. Reason: ore particles are removed by washing in a current of water. Assertion is correct, but reason is correct. Reaction is a correct explanation of assertion. Wrong. Assertion is correct, reason is correct. Reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. Wrong. Assertion is correct, reason is incorrect. Assertion is correct. Levitation and ore particles removed by washing is not the correct one. Therefore, option C is correct. Assertion is incorrect, reason is correct. No, that is also wrong. Next question. Coke and flux are used in smelting. Phenomenon in which ore is mixed with suitable flux and coke is heated to fusion is known as smelting. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Non-fusible mass present in the ore in mixing with the suitable flux are fused with the, which are then reduced by the coke to give the free metal. Therefore, option B is correct answer. Next question. Question is arsenic and bismuth. I think this is wrong. This is assertion. Arsenic and bismuth purified by liquefaction method. Reason: lead, tin and bismuth have low melting point as compared to impurities. Assertion is correct. Reason is also correct. Reason is the correct explanation for assertion. Option A is correct. Please change it to arsenic. Next question. Sulfide ores Froth flotation process offers an exception. Which of the following sulfide exception concentrated in chemical leaching? Chemical leaching means argentite. Argentite. Therefore, option D is correct. Last question. Consider the following reactions at 1000 degrees Celsius. Zinc plus half oxygen giving ZnO, delta G negative value. C plus half O2 gives CO, delta G negative value minus 460. Zinc can be oxidized by carbon monoxide. No, wrong. According to Langham's diagram, it is not possible. Zinc oxide can be reduced by graphite. I think this is correct statement. Carbon monoxide can be reduced by zinc. Wrong. Therefore, option B is correct. Okay, children, I think we have solved all the questions.